Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to automatically connect in AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and of course go to the download the application and of course go and of course run the application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the news, favorites, recent sessions discovered and invitations. And also in the top right corner, we have settings and a lot of different options there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and automatically connect in AnyDesk. So first of all, what you need to do is of course have AnyDesk installed on the applicable devices. Then of course you need to go and set a password on a remote device. After that, what you need to do is connect remotely from your local device. After you connect remotely from your local device, connect remotely with unattended access. After doing that, enable the section where it writes allow other computers to save login information for this computer, to allow users connecting to the client via the unattended access to select login automatically from now on. Then of course enable the enable unattended access checkbox under the security tab in the AnyDesk settings menu. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.